Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. All praise is due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who has blessed us with life and opportunity. We send blessings to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Today, as we mark the 4th anniversary of Al-Hikma Schools Alumni Association, we reflect on a journey built on unity, values, and community services. Our vision is to be association recognized for active alumni committed to the morals of Al-Hikma Schools, cooperation and development. Our mission is to maintain lifelong bonds through programs that enrich lives and uplift societies. In the past years, we witnessed progress. We successfully recruited new alumni from the 2024 graduates of both Al-Hikma Boys Secondary School and Al-Hikma Girls Secondary School. We held our general meeting, evaluating past activities, approving financial reports, and planning ahead with active participation towards attaining our goals in coming years. Our Iftar Dinner fundraiser supported over 80 vulnerable families at Sotele region in Mkuranga district, achieving 83% of our funding goals. During Eid al-Adha, we conducted a Qurban project, distributing meat from 9 goats from the association and 2 cows from donors to 90 families across Dar es Salaam region in areas of Monagati, Buza, Tandika, Temeke, and Tabata. Despite our progress, we faced challenges, notably low participation of some members, leading to limited internal funds. With most of our internal funds, the source is monthly dues from the members. We call upon alumni and well-wishers to join hands. We are at a takeoff stage, and your support matters now more than ever. We deeply thank our parent body, Al-Hikma Foundation and Sheikh Nurdin Kishk, for his enduring support to us. Our main sponsors of most of our events, Moyes General Store, Al Capri Auto Spares, Bin Makongo Traders, Shamjo, TSDF, and all our dedicated members. Looking ahead to July 2025 till June 2026, without budgetary constraints, we wish to have more events that will strengthen the bonds among alumni, to expand our charitable projects, reaching more beneficiaries and launching impactful new initiatives, inshallah. In closing, we reaffirm our commitment to service, growth, and unity. May Allah accept our efforts and guide us to greater path. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Kishki TV, nuru ya dini yako.